This is Gianfranco Moreno with from EFWA team. Going back to the SQL Server installation, we're done with it, so we're just gonna close it, and this shouldn't happen. Okay, so close program. So we're gonna go, and this is SQL Server Management Studio. By default, it's gonna have our server's name. We just need to click connect to connect, and it should be empty. There's no databases at all. But we're not going to create the databases from here. We could do it, but it's going to be there's not going to be an easy way to do versioning control from here. So what we're going to do is, going back from the EFWA DB project, we're going to be creating schemas from here. So we're going to be adding tables, views, store procedures, scripts, and everything from this project. We're going to put this project in Bitbucket, as well as the other two projects, the web API and the web application, and we're going to handle the database as is another Visual Studio project in which Bitbucket is going to be handling the source, the versioning control. So I think that's it for the development environment. Right now, we don't need anything else. We're going to be later on configuring the IIS server. There's nothing to configure right now. We have the basic default website, and we have the appropriate application pools. So we're good. So we're gonna keep on going and start working on our different projects. So that should be all for now. Thank you very much.